welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to unbox the all-new LaFerrari by RaStar. Now, this particular RC car is a fully licensed Ferrari LaFerrari, in which it was sent over by TomTop.com. So, for your very own, check out their link down below in the description. Now, this particular RC car costs about $40, in which you get a fully functional RC car that has moving doors. So I'm really excited to go ahead and try this thing out. But before we do, let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so this here's our packaging, in which you do see the LaFerrari kind of just sitting inside the box itself through the nice plastic cover. Over here it does say it's in a Ferrari logo, so it is a fully authentic car, in which it's fully licensed. On the bottom here it kind of talks about a little bit more in terms of details on what you need. So you do need 5 AA batteries to actually control this car, as well as a 9-volt battery for the remote itself. So do keep that in mind when you do purchase it. Now, other than that, this particular RC car doesn't really say anything on the box itself. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, so on the bottom here we do have an instruction manual here, kind of give you an idea on how to set this thing up. We do get an antenna that hooks onto our steering wheel itself. Then you just go ahead and open the car itself by just twisting these caps right here. Oops. And then everything else should just kind of pop right off. Okay, and then the car itself will just come off just like that. I'm going to remove this cover. Okay. Alright, so this is everything that comes with. So we get our controller over here, in which it has the Ferrari logo in the dead center. You got the steering as well as the throttle and reverse, and the battery goes right in here. Now the car itself is, wow, really detailed down to the actual ribs itself. You just see like the red caliper in the engine bay as well as the red interior. So it's actually got a lot of small details to it, which is really nice. So working our way from the back to the front, we got some nice looking chrome tips. We got the F1 taillight, we got an emblem here. The taillights over here look really nice as well. We got some vents, and then we have an engine bay, which you can see there's a lot of different details going on with that. Then the interior itself, you know, the doors do open up, so you can actually see the interior. It's got a lot of different things going on. From the dashboard, having even like little small gauges. The steering itself has like paddle shifters. The seats are nice red, and it actually looks really nicely detailed. So that just kind of shuts this like that. You do see that there's vents on the front of the hood, in which it actually goes into it, so there's actually depth. So it does make it look quite real. Even the headlights look really nice, and the car itself looks fully authentic. And overall, it's a great quality piece. I mean, you could tell that it does look model worthy, and more or less it makes a great showpiece nonetheless. Alright, so in terms of controls go, literally it's quite simple. If you hit forward, the headlights will go on, and then when you hit reverse, the taillights will go on, just like that. Other than that, I mean, control-wise, it's quite quick for what it is. It's a really simple RC car in terms of design goes. Control-wise, it does kind of shoot at a wider angle in terms of steering goes, but I notice if you do decelerate as you turn, you do get a more sharper angle. So overall, it's a pretty good RC car. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And now if you had any questions about the LaFerrari, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.